Sumatran elephants are the smallest of all Asian elephants and stand 5 to 9 feet tall at the shoulder and reaching up to 20 feet in length. They have the lightest skin color of all Asian elephants. These elephants are found exclusively on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. Unlike other elephants, the male Sumatran elephants rarely develop tusks. On the other hand, if the females develop tusks, they are small and can only be seen when her mouth is open. Today there are only 2,800 to 2,400 Sumatran elephants in existence and are labeled critically endangered by the World Wildlife Foundation. Why have we seen such a dramatic decrease in Sumatran elephant populations? The main threats to the elephants are poaching and habitat loss. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, 85% of the animal's remaining habitat is unprotected and is likely to be converted for agriculture and other uses. Palm oil is an important ingredient in a multitude of supermarket products, including things such as margarine, cereals, soaps, and cosmetics. As the demand for oil increases, humans are clearing forests and elephants' habitats to make way for more plantations. Between 1990 and 2002, approximately 6.7 million hectares of forest were destroyed on the island. 6.7 million hectares equates about 25,869 square miles of forest. As a result, elephants are encroaching on human territories, leading to human-elephant conflict. Human-elephant conflict is just one source of poaching among elephant species. On Sumatra, as elephants moved closer and closer to people's homes, some elephants were killed. Others were relocated or tamed to work in the forests. However, as funds for the relocation of elephants decreased, the elephants began to die due to inadequate housing and poor health care. Instead of relocating these problem elephants, they were killed. Sumatran elephants are poached mainly because of human-elephant conflict. Their lack of having tusks makes them less desirable to poachers who hunt elephants for ivory. The ivory trade has reduced the African elephant population by over 50%. In 1979, there were approximately 1.3 million African elephants. A decade later, only 600,000 elephants remained. Since then, ivory has been banned worldwide. However, this does not solve the problem for the elephants. In 2009, over 20,000 kilograms of ivory were seized worldwide through illegal trade. That's approximately 44,092 pounds of ivory. Just to put that into perspective, a Greyhound bus weighs 40,000 pounds. It is important to save elephants for a variety of reasons. First off, elephants help to create a tourist attraction. By creating preserves for the animals, people can observe the animals in their natural habitat without interfering with them or being interfered with. From an ecological standpoint, elephants help to mold the landscape of the environment they inhabit. During dry seasons, elephants help to create watering holes by digging holes until they tap into groundwater. They eat huge amounts of vegetation, push over lots of trees, and eat bark from the trees. They are a huge contribution to the habitat they live in. Giant sloths, bison, horses, and many other mammals also inhabit these environments and seem to benefit from it. To help reduce the threat on elephants, don't buy, sell, or wear ivory. Although new ivory is strictly banned, antique ivory can still be legally bought. Some items that may contain ivory include jewelry, billiard balls, piano keys, and dominoes. You can also support conservation efforts such as the International Wildlife Foundation, Elephant Care International, and the African Wildlife Foundation. Lastly, you can also adopt an elephant. The World Wildlife Foundation, World Animal Foundation, Born Free, Defenders of Wildlife, and the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust all offer adoption programs. These programs all vary in a manner of ways, but all help support the fostering of orphaned elephants.